I didn't understand straight away until we went to the training how beneficial it would be. And when I got there, I just went, yes, this is going to be amazing for these kids.
What else is best?
I'd seen how children respond to Lego bricks and how it's a tool that they just absolutely love. But it was really good to do the training, learning just really the theory behind it and also then just the practical side of it, of the different roles that the children play and also just how to encourage them to communicate with each other and collaborate with each other. So the training was really valuable.
Does anybody think that they would like to be the engineer today?
I'd say get on board with it as soon as you can. I think it's amazing to use in all sorts of different situations, but definitely go ahead and do the training first, because then you realise the full value of it.